This is a quick guide that will help you improve your bladder control. At the same time, will reduce the risk of urinary incontinence. So if you are someone who is suffering from this problem of leaky urine, then this video is definitely for you. Hi, I'm Physio Meghna Dave. I'm a neuro-rehabilitation physiotherapist, founder and CEO of HealthQ Rehab. And this video is for everyone who is experiencing urine leak problem. Let's get started. Friends, if you are suffering from urine leak problem, the first thing that is important to know is the cause of your urine leak, which can range from various conditions and disorders. Not only pregnancy, hormonal imbalance, aging are some factors that can give you urine leak, but there are other plethora of health conditions that can also give you. So the first tip that I would like to give here before starting any other advices is to see a doctor and get yourself diagnosed and find out what is the reason why you are suffering from urine leak. Now, moving to the point of what we need to do in order to improve the symptoms of the urine leak, there are three major things that you need to take care of. Number one is your lifestyle modification. There are certain lifestyle adjustments that you need to do to prevent or reduce the risk of urine leak. Number two is pelvic floor strengthening. You need to strengthen the pelvic floor muscles which are responsible to control your urine. And number three is diet modification, as that will help you as well in prevention of urine. So now let's tackle these points one by one. Let's talk first about lifestyle changes. What are the important lifestyle changes that you can do in order to reduce or prevent the risk of urine leak? The number one is develop this habit of urine training, which means instead of waiting till the urge of urine to come and pass, why not to schedule your urine cycles and urinate on a frequent timelines. This will not only prevent the unnecessary pressure that falls on the urinary bladder, at the same time it will prevent you from those unnecessary leaks. Number two, delay your urination. What do I mean by that? Let's say if you feel urge of urinating, don't try to hurry and rush towards restrooms. Instead, try to delay your urine passing by 1 to 2 minutes. This will force your urethral muscles to contract and will train these muscles to hold for certain amount of time, which is not dangerous. Number three is to practice double voiding. What do I mean by that? Whenever you go to restroom and pass urine, after you have emptied your bladder, wait for some time and try to pass urine further. This way you will be emptying your bladder completely and will help yourself in preventing the increased risk of urinary incontinence. Moving forward, there are some additional things that you can do, especially when you are traveling. Number one thing that you can do here is use panty liners. These are called as panty liners. These panty liners are from brand My Avni. This is made up of organic cotton. This cotton is laboratory tested and is found to be safe and effective for the urine leak problem, at the same time menstrual problem. These are available in 3 sizes and in 2 materials. I have 2 of them. One is made up of a synthetic material, but again it is biodegradable, organic. At the same time, this is made up of cotton. Both of them are ideal for someone who suffers from urine leak problem. Apart from that, take frequent breaks whenever you are traveling so that you can empty your bladder regularly. Number 3, avoid drinking caffeine, especially when you are on the go, as it can irritate your bladder and can give you that sense of urgency of passing urine. So these are some simple lifestyle hacks that you can practice, but there are more important stuff that you can do. And in that important stuff, the first thing that comes in the list is strengthening of your pelvic floor muscles. Your pelvic floor muscles are like hammock. These are the muscles that lines and protects all your pelvic floor structure, which protects your structures like abdominal organs, uterus, urinary bladder, etc. These muscles usually gets weak and can lead to the symptoms of urine leak. In order to strengthen this, the best exercise that you can do is called as Kegels exercise. This is the most simplest exercise that anyone can perform. Here, all you need to do is contract your urethral muscles as if you are trying to hold your urine. Hold for 5 to 10 counts and then release. You can practice this particular method whether in sitting, whether in standing, whether in sleeping position. Doesn't matter. But more you practice, the better it is for you to recover fast. Number 2, is to practice deep breathing exercises. Studies have found that whenever you are under stress, the autonomous nervous system gets activated, which increases the urge of urine. So, if you are practicing deep breathing exercises or doing pranayamas on a daily basis, this will relax your autonomous nervous system and will help you to prevent the symptoms of urine leakage. Number 3 is to practice deep squatting exercise. Yes, you heard me right. Whenever you do deep squat, you are automatically training your pelvic floor muscles to contract. This acts as a strengthening exercise for your pelvic floor muscle, which will help you to prevent the problem of urine leak. So do deep squatting exercises 5 to 10 repetitions on a daily basis in order to prevent yourself from developing urine leak issues. So now let's move on to the third part, which is the diet modification. You need to limit the bladder irritants. What are these bladder irritants? Caffeine, alcohol, sugar, carbonated drinks, artificial sweeteners, and spicy foods. All of them triggers your urinary bladder. So make sure that you eliminate them from your diet as much as possible. The next thing that you need to do is to stay hydrated. The more you stay hydrated, the better will be the alkalineness of your urine, and it will irritate your bladder less and will help you to prevent from the urine leak issues. So make sure that you drink plenty of water throughout the day. At the same time, also remember, don't drink too much of water before going to bed, as it can disturb your sleep and can give you frequent urination. Number 3 is to improve your fiber intake. The more fiber you take, you will reduce the symptoms of constipation or its likelihood of developing constipation, which will further reduce the pressure that falls on your urinary bladder and will help you to improve and prevent the risk of urinary incontinence. The fourth thing that you should keep in mind is to maintain your healthy weight. If you are overweight, then the weight of the fats that is deposited around your abdominal region also irritates your urinary bladder by putting more pressure and can give you an increased risk of urinary incontinence. But if you have a maintained weight, then this problem will not come. So make sure to work on your weight and don't allow yourself to gain much of excessive weight. The fifth thing that you need to do is to strengthen your core muscles and lower body muscles. Your core muscles plays a very crucial role when it comes to preventing your urinary incontinence problem. These core muscles not only supports your urinary structures, but at the same time it removes the pressure that your bladder goes through due to the pressure falling from abdominal region, lower back region, etc. Having a strong core is the key to prevent urine leak in long terms. You can engage in simple but very effective core exercises like deep squats, bridges, lunges, deadlifts, etc. to improve your bladder health. And the last thing that you need to keep in mind is avoid lifting heavy weights. Or else, whenever you are lifting heavy weights, try to squeeze your urethral muscles as if you're holding your urine. This will prevent unnecessary urine leakage and will help you to also strengthen these hip muscles on the go. If you are someone who suffers from chronic cough or constipation, then it is equally important for you to work on it and correct them, because chronic cough and constipation could also be one of the leading cause for issues like urinary incontinence. Now, if you want a detailed 4-week plan of exercise which will help you to reduce and prevent your urinary incontinence, then I have shared a link in the comment section where you can download this 4-week exercise plan to prevent the urine leak and strengthen your pelvic floor muscles. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead in the comment section and download one for yourself. On that note, I will end this video here and I'll see you in another video. Thank you.